Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for today's plan with me. This week I'm using a kit called Getaway from Miss Meow, and it is such a phenomenally gorgeous kit. I bought it twice. I because her sort of add-on sheets are so full, I figured I could get two spreads out of them. So I bought the kit twice and then just the add-on sheets once, and hopefully that's enough to get me through another spread, maybe next year or something like that. I was absolutely obsessed with it. I was still in her PR team at the time that she was creating this kit, and when she was asking for sort of thoughts and feedback on the foil elements of different full boxes and things, oh my goodness, I actually could not believe my eyes, and I could not wait for it to be released. And I just knew that I was going to want to use it more than once. The colour scheme is perfection. I love the soft, kind of subdued tones. Everyone knows I love a pink and green. It really reminds me of sorry, not this kit, but the combination of pink and green always takes me back to The Cat in the Hat. I think her whole house and her polka dot dress and everything was always pink and green in that film, but I might be misremembering, but I could swear that's what the colours of that, like the main colours of that film were. Anyway, I absolutely love the combination, and it's such a pretty kit. And you know what really pushed me over the edge into having to have it twice was that adorable flamingo, like blow up float in the sort of, it's not a paddling pool, but in the pool. Oh my gosh, amazing, absolutely amazing. I think it's brilliant. I think it's absolutely hilarious. I had so much fun. Did I just say absolutely hilarious? I was thinking it's the cutest float ever. Sorry, my stomach is growling in case anyone can hear that. I have no idea how sensitive the microphone is. Also, Wendy will absolutely be pacing around in the background, so apologies for the tippy tappies in advance. I had so much fun doing the sidebar, just kind of making like a decorative corner where the month section is, and then I knew that I wanted to use the little signs, because I don't think, I'm just double checking myself, but I don't think they were in any of the full boxes, so I knew I wanted to use those and the surfboards in the sidebar as well. And I love how that came out. I really do. I absolutely adore that sidebar. It's so cute. I love that it's silver foil, because I think it makes everything that little bit lighter and softer, and I love that. I just think it looks like a less heavy page. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's how I feel. I'm really pleased that it's silver foil, and it kind of makes the sea, the full boxes where there's water and sort of the crest of the waves and everything. I think it's perfect in silver foil. Date cover section I kept really simple, because I kind of knew I was going to go a little bit more floral heavy in the actual spread. So I just kept it with the floral washi, and I really like the date cover strips for this particular kit, because again, they're just super subdued. I love the font that she uses. And I just thought I would leave that be a kind of less intense date cover section. I love that her headers are slightly thinner than full size or traditional headers. So I wanted to make sure I used those. I wanted it to feel really, really, really pink. I did use one of the green headers in the sidebar, but I didn't want to alternate. I did play around with the headers a bit, but I decided I did not want to alternate. I didn't want to bring any green headers into the actual spread. I just wanted it to be really, really girly and really, really pink. So in terms of plans this week, it was Lou's birthday on Monday. He was 31. It's a bit of it's one of those birthdays where I think he's not been super well. His shoulder was kind of hurting a bit. We had talked about doing stuff for his birthday, but because of how much we've been spending on travelling recently and holidays. It just, and other stuff that's been going on, there just wasn't really the budget to do anything like a weekend away or anything like that. So we just did, I think I mentioned it in one of my previous Plan With Me's, but we went go-karting with his family and took them for dinner. But I think the go-karting was fun, but I think he was left a bit deflated by how much they didn't enjoy one of his favourite places for food. So I think because we finished with food and then said our goodbyes, and that was kind of the end of the afternoon, I think he was just a little bit kind of deflated about that. So we have been trying to kind of look at other things that we could do, and kind of just us two to kind of maybe do like a belated birthday thing if there's budget for that. But anyway, sorry, I got sidetracked there. This is that was his birthday on Monday, his actual birthday. And we'd celebrated with his family the day before. And then I know I say it every Miss Meow Plan With Me, but I always use the miniature version sticker because it's just the cutest thing. So I did some filming, I had a step class, dance lesson, and then I was watching I Found the Gown. Man, I love that show so much. I wish they'd done more shows of that. I prefer that to Say Yes to the Dress. People are a lot less bratty and entitled on I Found the Gown, and some of their stories are really, really meaningful. So yeah, absolutely love that show. I've been loving getting back into dance again. The timings have just not been right, but because now I no longer work Mondays, he teaches on Mondays, and it's working out really, really nicely doing that every other week on Mondays. I would do a dance lesson every day if I could. Man, I love ballroom and Latin dancing so, so much. I cannot explain to you how good it is for my body, my mind, and my soul. I highly recommend, if you have a thing that you love, that you are really struggling to find the time for, or haven't thought about for years, or feel a bit unsure about getting back into, oh my goodness, do it. I don't see a world in which you could regret it, unless it's something crazy and really hard to do, or requires you to be on the other side of the world to do, or something. Man, I love it so much, and I just come away elated. I have the best time for an hour, and then I come away feeling elated. And my dance teacher is about a 50-minute drive from me, and it's quite a nice drive. If I don't go the motorway way, it is quite a nice drive. And I just find myself being so, so grateful and thanking the Lord for such a wonderful hobby to be able to continue well into my adulthood. I just absolutely love it. And then, so the rest of the week I think was pretty uneventful in terms of Monday through Thursday is just the standard kind of, sorry if my voice changed there, I had to move my phone into my other hand and it might have changed the where it sounds like my voice is coming from. I don't know how all of that works. Just work, meetings, more I Found the Gown. I did go to a bar class for the first time in months on Wednesday, and it went so much better than it went the first time. I'm really seeing, if anyone out there is watching with long COVID and you are wondering when you'll start to see like the end of the tunnel, the first thing is absolutely diet. Completely start from scratch, cut out absolutely everything processed and go whole foods and white meat and white fish only, and seafood and things. There's also a bunch of supplements that it would take me far too long and would be far too boring in the Plan With Me, but definitely look at your diet and your supplements first for like minimum 12 weeks, and then build out from there. You won't notice a change straight away, but I definitely about 7 or 8 months after doing that noticed a massive difference. Then when you feel even the tiniest bit that you can get out and do some form of exercise, oh my gosh, do it. You will notice over time how much more you're capable of and how much less time it's taking to recover. I really just want to give anyone that's struggling with that at the moment, maybe no one, but just some hope that it is not forever. Everyone's recovery journey looks different. Mine, I thankfully was not as heavily as impacted as some of the people that I met through this process. But yeah, there are definitely ways that your life can get better and your quality of life can get better. And I'm really starting to notice that now. And then I also made a protein pizza that evening. It was really fun. It was just kind of a different kind of pizza base with Greek yogurt, flour, some mixed herbs and some garlic and some salt. So good. And then just kind of normal pizza toppings with pizza sauce, cheese and barbecue sauce. Oh, so good. So good. We will be making that on a semi-regular basis, I'm sure. Then I recorded my voiceover on Thursday. I've been trying to watch some more Will Trent to get up to date with the most recent series. And then Lou and I played some badminton. He is absolutely loving badminton at the moment. He has hurt his shoulders, both his shoulders actually quite badly. So he can't play at the moment. But he really has found his sport. He is absolutely living for badminton. Then on Friday, so this weekend I actually went to join my family in Mallorca for a few days. They go every year for the week, and I just go out for a few days just to kind of have a little bit of a break, spend some quality time with them, and just kind of get in that kind of it's literally quality time with them. I was trying to think of another way to say that, but it really is quality time, and we have such a blast. So this time we all flew out together on the Friday. It was a 4 a.m. taxi to the airport. That was rough to get up for that. 6 a.m. flight. We checked in and pretty much went straight to the pool. We went to get lunch first. We went and got our favourite grilled cheeses from the pool bar, and then we just sort of chilled and rested by the pool. And then that night we went to one of our favourite restaurants called La Finca. It's just around the corner from the place that we stay, and it's really good. Although this time I loved it. I absolutely loved it. We pretty much all had sea bass. I think my dad had cod, maybe, in some kind of like breading. But the rest of us had sea bass, and it was like salt. It was like baked in salt, but everyone was expecting it to be really salty or like have crunchy salt to like eat with it, but that's not how that works. So I think everyone else, my mum and my sister, were quite disappointed, but I absolutely loved it. I love sea bass. It's one of my favourite fish, so long as I don't have to cook it. Then on the Saturday, my dad, my sister and I went to visit one of the biggest markets. It was enormous. I don't think I've ever been to a market that size. It was in these gorgeous sort of Spanish streets. It was in this little town, and every street corner you turned, it would go on and on again. I mean, it was a maze. It was amazing and just really cool. And it was such a mix of kind of fruit stalls, food stalls, clothes, handbags, jewellery, trinkets, plates, cups, mugs. I mean, everything you can think of, there was a stall for it. I bought a bag just for holidays, just a fun little bag for holidays. It caught my eye at the beginning. I took ages to decide if it was something that I could reasonably spend money on. I had to. It was just so cute. Just a little pink bag, and I'm not a bag person, but sometimes just having my black over the shoulder bag when we're going out to dinner on holiday and stuff, it just doesn't really fit. So that was nice to kind of buy a pretty bag. And then we had a ham and cheese baguette from one of the stalls for lunch. So good. We went back, we had a swim, and I had a read by the pool, and then we went out. We tried to go to our favourite Italian restaurant, but it was closed, so we went to the one across the street. So good. Oh my gosh, incredible. I had a pistachio pasta and it was amazing. And then we had a really fun evening watching Top of the Pops, actually. together that night. That was really fun. Sunday, my dad, me and my sister went to Aqualand. I should say my mum over this weekend had quite a lot of issues with her kind of pain in her knees and her feet, so that's why she didn't come to the bigger stuff with us. We had a really fun morning at Aqualand. It was so good. It was exactly what I remember from my childhood, but actually better, much better slides. Really, really good fun. Then we played bingo by the pool in the afternoon. We had dinner on site at the restaurant, which we all knew wasn't going to be great beforehand, but for some reason we all talked ourselves into it'll be fine. It was really disappointing. We will definitely never eat there again. It was not good. And then on our way out of the restaurant, we saw that they had a bunch of board games in the kind of reception area. So we grabbed Rummy Classic. I've never played that before, but it's one of my family's favourite games. They play Rummy Cub all the time at home. So they introduced me to it, and it was so fun. So we played that pretty much almost every night of the trip. It was so good. And then on this day, actually, I decided to change my flight so that I could stay an extra day, because I was supposed to go home Monday early afternoon, sort of just after lunch, but we were having such a good time and it just felt like it was cutting it too short. Thankfully, my manager was available on text that day, and she said that was absolutely fine to take an extra day off. So I did extend my flight until the Tuesday evening. So that was all really exciting, but such a blast. I was so excited to use this kit immediately. It is available in her shop at the moment. I know I've said in a few Plan With Me's, but I don't have a code with her anymore, but there are, if you go to her Instagram page, there are a bunch of people that do have PR codes with her, so highly recommend checking that out, because then you get 15% off. I think she does general Instagram discount, well, she used to anyway, of 10% off. But if you want 15% off, just go and check out who's on her PR team. I love everything about this kit. I love everything about this spread, and I had such a fabulous time doing that kind of long weekend with my family. It really was wonderful, precious time. Thank you for joining me for this Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.